guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Notary educators, Kimmi Nunnally in the house. #1 notary educator. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Well, hey guys, I wanted to thank you all so much for the big welcome y'all gave my sister. In case you missed it, my sister became a notary yesterday and she is just ecstatic. I am equally ecstatic and happy for her. It's going to be life-changing. Let me cut my alerts off right quick. Yeah, it's going to be life-changing for her. And it's funny because I help other people nationwide change their lives and their notary businesses. And it's been an honor and a pleasure, but what greater honor than to help my family member, you know? Hey, S. Abdul, what's up? How are you? So anyway, I am doing like a little quick day in the life reel. This is real. It's not gonna be a whole day in the life. It's gonna be like more of a more of an appointment in the life. How about that? So for those of you who do not know, really quick though, I am Kimmi Nunnally, as I stated. I train nations notary-wide how to grow their business, have a great foundation for their business, because if you don't have a great foundation, nothing else is happening. That's just real talk, okay? You got to know how to stamp that paper. Now some people say, oh, anybody can teach you how to do that. Not true. My sister's going through the process. She will be joining me some, and she'll be able to share, you know, more insights, because it's kind of hard for me to get people to come on YouTube with me. I have amazing people in the program, amazing notary family, but I'm telling you, it's hard. People do not like social media, but that is the wave of the future. So that's another story for another day. Hey, Lisa, how are you? Lisa, she's a great notary. And I know that because I helped her and she helped herself. How about that? Oh, I'm glad you're doing well, S. Abdul. Hey, Sheila, how are you? Welcome. So like I was saying, I want to thank everybody for the huge welcome to my sister yesterday. You'll be seeing more of Kay Denise, and I'm just so excited for her. I really am. But today I want to talk a little bit about translation services. If you are not doing them, really quick, translation services is just that. I don't speak 50 different languages, but I can help my clients to get their documents translated. So that's what we have here, okay? Oh, I didn't let y'all say hi to Jeffrey. Jeffrey?
Hey people, how y'all doing this morning?
Also notary extraordinaire, so we're trying to keep it in the family. I also encourage you to start family businesses of notaries. All you have to do is be 18. You have to be 18 in all states, because they got to be able to put you in jail if something go wrong. I'm just kidding about that part. I don't teach that kind of hype over here, but I am saying for real, you do 18 is when you can legally make decisions, right? And they can legally handle you. All right, let's just keep it real. That's why you got to be 18. Hey, Lori W. What's up? Lori is hosting one of our sessions this month. She is also a member of Notary Educators. Lisa hosted. I will be doing more of those sessions. They were a hit. I enjoy seeing people progress, and our group is just doing amazing, I'm telling you. So we got Lisa did a session. You can come and join and watch the replay. Lisa, you got to refresh my memory which our session was on. I think it was loan signings. Oh, loan signing profile reviews. That's what it was. And then Lori has one coming up on customer service, because that is so important, guys. Customer service is so important, and Lori is big on customer service, so she's going to be doing a session on that. And also we have field inspection coming up. We're going to have Angela doing a session on that. And I'm just ecstatic. We have some amazing members. And now I get to show them off. I'm starting within the mentorship program to help them to get comfortable too. But eventually I got plans for my people. I got plans for my people. So anyway, let's get back to translation services. Okay, so they saying hi, Jeffrey. And then we got Lisa saying hey to Lori. She can't wait to see her session. Okay, cool. So anyway, my client needed a birth certificate translated from Guatemala, okay, in the Spanish language. So it had to be translated. Now, full disclaimer, I do speak a little Spanish, okay? But I don't translate documents. I always let the professionals do it, because in case it go wrong, I need to be able to sue somebody. All right, it ain't gonna go wrong. But anyway, so I have a whole translation course to teach you how to do that, but I'm going to tell you right now how to do it. Okay, so basically the client gives you the document, and then you are going to find a translator that you trust and allow them to translate the document, and then you get it back. So what I'm doing today is I'm taking this to the client. Now, what I really want to talk about today is when it comes to pricing your translation services or any jobs. I'm big on questions equal money. You got to ask the right questions in order to get the right answers, in order to price your services correctly. In this case, my client's document was actually one page. It's a front and a back. So I told her when I was pricing it, it was going to be 2 pages. I told her that. And she was like, well, it's really just the front and the back. So I let her send it to me again. And because when she sent it to me, it was 2. But I didn't realize it was a front and back. So now when I'm pricing it, I told her 2 pages. Well, when I send it over to the company, and this is something I want to encourage you to do too, go ahead and let them quote you. Because you may be thinking it's, thank you, Lori, like and subscribe, everybody. You may be thinking it's 1 page, but it's actually 2 pages. Or you could be thinking it's 3 pages when it's actually 4. And you've underpriced yourself. So in my case, I uploaded it for a quote. And they came back with 2 pages, like I thought. It was 2 pages. It's not 1 complete page, it's 2 pages. So I had to go back and tell my client, no, they're going to consider it 2 pages. Now, what do you want to do? Do you want to proceed or not? In her case, she did want to proceed. The other piece of that is I ain't trying to take a loss, right, on my money. So somebody got to pay for that extra page. So that's why I always like to be fully transparent with my clients. Always, always, always. And I'm going to tell you the same thing too. Feel free to drop a few questions. So we're actually en route to drop it off. So my client actually sent me, they're using this for immigration purposes. So she actually sent me a form from the immigration, whoever they're working with, and said it need to be translated professionally. So I'll talk about that a little bit. So because like I said, I do speak a little Spanish, and with all these little translation apps and stuff nowadays, could I have translated it myself? Sure. You could upload it, PDF, da-da-da. You can do it yourself, really, right? Chat GPT, you can put stuff in there. Doing some road work out here. I'll show y'all. Oop, well, missed it. So anyway, yeah, you can do it your own self, but I don't recommend it. And some people say, well, that's my native language, and it may be, but the document that my client sent me from the person that they're working with to do their immigration documents said that it need to be translated by a professional. So if you consider yourself a professional, you willing to take all that liability? I will translate certain documents, but it has to be, it doesn't, I'm only going to do it, let me start over. I'm only going to do it if it's something that doesn't have to be professionally done. Okay? I can call myself a professional, but that don't make me a professional. Hey Martha, what's up, how are you? Ooh, they're driving kind of fast out here. I'm getting crazy out here in these cars, y'all. I'm not driving, Jeffrey's driving. Y'all saw Jeffrey. He just stopped like no one else is behind him, you know? It might be me too, you know. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to talk about with translation services this morning. Are you offering services? Did you even know you can offer translation services? Tell me right quick, are you even offering translation services? Are you even offering them? And a lot of times you're going to need it for immigration documents, like I'm doing right now with this client. They have an immigration appointment. It may be Apostille Services also, where someone's getting a document that needs to go outside the country. It has to have a higher level of authentication. A lot of those documents have to be translated. Look at him. Child, the way these people drive. Oh. Martha says, doing good, thank you. How are y'all? Be safe out there. Yeah, we're doing well, girl. Just again, this traffic out here is crazy. And it's not a lot of traffic, it's just a few people not driving right, because it's not even early morning. We're headed to an appointment about an hour away, so yeah, because y'all know I drive wherever I gotta go to get the job accomplished, right?